In this video, we will show you how you can convert an MP3 audio file into text with the help of Google Colab and artificial intelligence. As the CEO of a small business, you can benefit from this solution by transcribing audio files quickly and easily and using the texts for your purposes. At the beginning of the code, we import the necessary libraries that we need for the conversion. We do not describe the names of imported or installed libraries here in order to make the code clearer. We then use an API key that enables us to use the artificial intelligence of OpenAI. We would like to point out that this API key in this video is for illustrative purposes only and is not real. The problem we want to solve is the conversion of audio files into text. This can be useful, for example, if you have conducted an interview and want to have it transcribed in order to analyze or publish it later. The solution is to use artificial intelligence that automatically transcribes the audio file. We use OpenAI and Whisper technology for this. In the first part of the source code, we open the MP3 audio file that we want to transcribe. We then use a function that converts the audio file into text. This function uses the artificial intelligence of OpenAI and Whisper to transcribe the audio file. In the second part of the source code, we define a function that saves the transcribed result in a text file. This function is then called to save the result. At this point, we would like to introduce you to a platform that allows you to build your own AI solution for your company without having to invest a lot of time or money. On crowdcompany.net, you can now register for just €1 and have your own AI solution developed. In the last part of the source code, the transcribed result is saved in a text file. To summarize, in this video we have learned how to convert an MP3 audio file to text using Google Colab and artificial intelligence. We have explained how to understand the source code line by line and the benefits of this solution for small business managers. If you have any questions, please contact us by email. We hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thank you for your attention.